Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super cool and practical. How to get Snapchat on your Apple Watch in 2025. If you're always on the move and want quick access to your snaps without pulling out your iPhone, this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to make sure you have the right setup. You'll need an Apple Watch running watchOS 10 or later, an iPhone with iOS 18 or higher, and the latest version of Snapchat installed on your iPhone. Snapchat doesn't have a native app for Apple Watch yet, but we can use some clever workarounds like the Shortcuts app and notifications to make it work seamlessly. Step 1. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. This is a powerful tool that lets you automate tasks. Search for or create a shortcut that opens Snapchat directly. To integrate it with your Apple Watch, go to the Watch app on your iPhone, select Shortcuts, and add this action as a complication on your watch face. It's that simple. Next, Step 2. Enable notifications for Snapchat on your iPhone. Go to Settings, Notifications, Snapchat, and turn on alerts for your Apple Watch. This way, you'll get Snap notifications right on your wrist, and you can reply using voice or quick replies if available. In 2025, Apple has improved watch integration, so make sure your devices are paired and updated. Step 3. For a more advanced setup, explore third-party apps in the App Store that might bridge Snapchat with your Apple Watch. Apps like Watchify or similar tools could allow you to mirror Snapchat features. Always download from trusted sources to keep your data secure. If you run into issues, like apps not syncing, try restarting both your iPhone and Apple Watch or check for software updates. It's a common fix that works wonders. And there you have it. You're now ready to enjoy Snapchat on your Apple Watch. This method keeps things efficient and hands-free, perfect for 2025's fast-paced world. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.